The Elite Pro V3 DC drive has the capability to be run from the keypad. This is referred to as local control. This method is often used during setup and/or troubleshooting. In the local mode, you can set the speed reference and start-stop the drive directly from the keypad. Let's look at an example. First, we press the local remote button to place the drive in local mode. Notice that the local LED indicator is now lit. Often, when a drive is first installed, the motor rotation will need to be verified. This can be done by jogging the motor. The motor will run at a slow speed only while the jog or F1 button is pressed. Releasing the button will cause the motor to stop. On reversing models, the F3 key can be used to select the motor direction. The drive can also be controlled by the run and stop buttons. However, before using these, we first need to set the speed reference. Simply click the Enter button on the DM1 screen and use the up, down, and right arrow keys to enter the desired value. Now that we have a reference, we can click the Run button. While running, you can access other screens to view parameters and status information. Simply press the Stop button to stop the motor. When finished, press the local remote button to return the drive to remote mode. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website or contact us by email or phone if you need any assistance.